no gold is not enough.
Welcome guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to use SQL query to select data. So I have 3 posts here and I'm going to show you how we can select data, and the same way we will be selecting data when we will be working on our PHP project. So using PHP we can run these same SQL queries. So I click on the SQL, and here I'm going to, we already have here select all from posts. So when we run select all from posts and hit go, it selects everything. So whatever data we have, it shows there. Now if I go edit inline and I say here like where, and I say ID equals 1, so I'm saying okay, select the post, every data like ID, title, content and dates, where ID is 1. So if I hit this, we get only one record, and it is because the ID is equal to 1 and ID is 1 here. Now once this is done, we can also do this, that we can put multiple wheres. We can also say, let's say for example, if I go browse, we have the 3 of these. So I'm just gonna copy the title from here and I'm gonna add it here, and I'm gonna say select all from posts where ID equals 30, maybe because 30 is not here, and I put or title equals this. So we need to put double quote here because we have a single quote inside our title. So yeah, this is quite simple. We are saying select all the columns from post table where ID is 30, if the ID is 30, or the title is this. So in this condition, the title is going to be true, ID is going to be false because we don't have any ID with a number 30. So the second condition will get us this third post. So if I hit go, you will see we get third, and because of this. Now if I say here instead of or, I put and then hit it, so we don't get anything because we don't have the ID of 30, and is making sure that both the condition, if true, only then returns the data. So both conditions are not true. So if I go edit and I remove this and make it ID 3, now we do have ID 3 and the title of the post is exactly the same, we should have this post. So if go, we get the post. Now we can be selective when we are selecting the data. I'm simply saying here that I select all from posts. So what I do here, I simply say select all from posts where ID is equal to 1. Now I want to select fields, not every column. So I say select title and ID. Alright, we are not selecting content or the dates, we are just selecting ID and title. So if I hit go, it gets me the ID and title, and where the ID is 1. So if I say where the ID is 2, get me the title and the ID, we get 2 and the title. So when you be, for example, working on the PHP project, you might want to show the titles of your posts all in one page so that user can click on that particular title and go into that post. There you don't need to show any content, so you can select this kind of query where you will be getting the title and ID and the content if required, if user clicks then. So this is how we do it. So you will see that once we are in the project and we are going to create something like that, then I'll show you how to do it. Now hope you like this. This is how you select data, and we will be doing it using PHP. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.
No gold is not enough.